Okay.
Alright guys, welcome to Rockin Minerals. So today we're going to be identifying some minerals and figuring out what types of minerals are essential to our bodies and how they're useful to us. I'm very interested. Anyways, so who can tell me what a mineral is?
It's in cereal.
It's in cereal. What else?
Milk.
It's in milk?
It's in rocks.
It's in rocks, yeah. Okay, so a mineral is basically an inorganic crystalline structure. And what that means is that it's non-living and it forms crystals. So if we look at number 1 on our passport, it asks us what 2 minerals are essential to our bodies. So can anybody tell me or take a guess as to what kinds of minerals we eat?
Vitamin D?
That tends to be found in living organisms. How about we sprinkle on our food?
What, sugar? Salt? Salt. Okay. Salt.
That's a big one. What about
Salt. Is salt a mineral?
salt? Is a mineral.
Cool.
If you look at it, in your hands, it looks like little crystals, right?
Oh, yeah.
So how about in milk? What
Milk.
keeps your bones?
Calcium.
Calcium. There we go. So those are 2 minerals that are essential to our bodies. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to identify some minerals. So we're going to use this flowchart, and we're going to give you a couple of minerals to identify. So, for example, if I give you something like this, we start here, and we figure out if it's non-metallic or metallic. And what metallic means is it's shiny and it looks like, a metal. So things like jewelry, does it look like jewelry or does it look like it's shiny? And the next thing we're going to do is the hardness test. So if it's soft, what's going to happen is if you rub it with your finger or you scrape it with your fingernail, it's going to chip off, right? So I just rubbed it with my finger and stuff came off. So that this mineral is soft. So then we move on to the streak test, and we take one of the tiles and we figure out, if we streak it across this tile, what color is it going to leave behind? So all you need to do is run it across the tile once and look at the color that it left behind. So this guy left behind a gray. Okay, so we move on to gray under the streak test. And then we see, if it's gray, it should be able to write. So if I write on this board, it writes like a pencil. And so now we see that it's graphite. And graphite is found in
pencils. Huh. Cool.
With each kid. So, what kind of mineral do you have? Look at it. Tell me what you see.
It's shiny.
Is it light? Is it? What's the texture? It's kind of rough, huh?
Yeah, it's rough.
So look at the mineral. Does it look metallic or non-metallic?
It looks metallic because it's shiny.
It's metallic, right? So now do the hardness test. Kind of rub it with your finger. Does it come off?
Yeah.
It come off. So it's soft, right? So we move over, we skip that. So now you're gonna do the tile streak test. So you're gonna take a tile and draw one line down the tile. What color does that look like? Does it look like a gray or like a gray or black? It's dark, right?
Like black, yeah.
So we're gonna come here. Wait, is it heavy? It's kind of light. So we're gonna go back. It's still gray though, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, it's gray. So now we're gonna do a little. Is it right? Like take a piece of paper. Does it right?
Yeah, right.
It does. So it's graphite, which is also in your pencil.
In pencil. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, okay. Got it.